Ever wondered why suspension tuning and modification is a big deal for car enthusiasts? Well, let's unravel this mystery. Suspension tuning is more than just a hobby. It's about refining the way your car interacts with the road. Think of it as the bridge between your vehicle and the ground. A well-tuned suspension system can drastically enhance your car's performance, making it agile and responsive. It can improve handling, allowing you to navigate those tight turns with ease and precision. But that's not all. It also plays a pivotal role in ensuring safety. A properly tuned suspension system can increase the stability of your car, reducing the risk of rollovers and skids. And the cherry on top? Suspension tuning and modification allows drivers to customize their vehicles to their heart's content, tailoring it to their unique driving style and conditions. Now that we have understood the importance, let's dive into the process. Tuning and modifying your car's suspension might seem like a complicated task, but when broken down into steps, it's manageable. Let's start with upgrading the springs. The springs absorb road shocks and maintain the correct ride height. Upgrading to stiffer springs can improve your car's handling, reduce body roll, and enable faster cornering. This is a perfect choice for those seeking a more responsive and controlled driving experience. But remember, stiffer springs can make your ride more uncomfortable on bumpy roads. Next up are the shock absorbers or dampers. They control the movement of the springs and suspension. Upgrading your shocks to high-performance ones can further improve your car's stability and handling. High-performance shocks are designed to work in harmony with your upgraded springs, providing a smoother, more controlled ride. Now let's move on to the sway bars, also known as anti-roll bars. They are connected to both sides of your car's suspension system and help control body roll while cornering. Upgrading to thicker, stiffer sway bars can dramatically reduce body roll, making your car feel more stable and responsive during high-speed cornering. However, much like springs, an overly stiff sway bar can make your ride harsh on uneven surfaces. Before wrapping up, it's important to note that these upgrades should be done by a professional or under professional supervision. Suspension tuning and modification involves precise adjustments that can greatly impact your car's handling and safety. It's not just about installing new parts, but also about adjusting them correctly to suit your car's characteristics and your driving style. Finally, remember that suspension tuning and modification is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Each car is unique, and what works best for one might not work for another. It's always a good idea to do your homework, understand your car's needs, and consult with a professional before making any major decisions. And there you have it. The process of tuning and modifying your car's suspension, broken down into simple steps. So, let's quickly summarize what we've learned today. Suspension tuning and modification isn't just a hobby for car enthusiasts, it's a vital aspect of automotive performance and safety. We've delved into why it's so important, understanding that the right setup can significantly improve a vehicle's handling, ride comfort, and overall driving experience. We've walked through the process step by step, starting with upgrading springs to enhance the car's responsiveness. We then discussed the role of shocks in absorbing road bumps and reducing unwanted oscillations. And lastly, we highlighted the sway bars, which help minimize body roll during sharp turns, thus improving stability and control. Each of these components play a crucial role in your car's suspension system, and modifying them can lead to tangible benefits, not just in terms of performance, but in safety too. It's about making your car feel like an extension of you, responding exactly as you'd like, when you'd like. Remember, suspension tuning and modification is not just about enhancing your car's performance, but also about making your driving experience safer and more enjoyable.